Welcome to Door. In this video, we'll explain common cyber attacks, phishing, DDoS, and man-in-the-middle, and how malware is used in these attacks. Let's begin. Phishing is a type of social engineering. It tricks people into revealing sensitive information. The attacker sends a fake message. It looks like it's from a trusted company. The message includes a link or urgent request. When you click the link, it takes you to a fake website. You enter your login or data. Now the attacker has access. DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service. It floods a system with fake traffic. The goal is to take down a website or server. Attackers use thousands of infected devices. These devices form a botnet. They send non-stop requests to the target. Eventually, the system crashes or becomes unusable. A man-in-the-middle attack is when a hacker intercepts your data. It often happens on public Wi-Fi. You think you're connected to a safe site, but someone is reading or changing the traffic in real time. They can steal passwords, emails, or financial data, and you won't even know it's happening. Malware isn't a cyber attack by itself. It's a tool used inside many attacks. Phishing often delivers malware as an attachment. DDoS attacks use malware-infected devices. Man-in-the-middle attacks can inject malware into your network traffic. Types of malware include ransomware, spyware, and Trojans. It's how attackers gain control once they get in. Let's review. Phishing tricks you into giving information. DDoS overwhelms the system with traffic. Man-in-the-middle intercepts communication. Malware supports all of these by giving attackers more power. Cyber attacks often combine different methods. Knowing how they work helps you stay safe. Thanks for watching Door. Subscribe for clear and focused cybersecurity videos. Stay informed, stay protected.